Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a kind of like a get ready with me, but these videos, I've seen them all over YouTube. I think I've done one of these before, and today I'm actually gonna go out. I never go anywhere. I am such a homebody. I'm a Pisces, like that is my nature, just to be home. But today is October 17th, which is a Thursday, I believe, and they have a trunk or treat near my house. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to take my little girl trunk or treating and just, you know, take her out and let her have some fun and let her have some candy. And of course, I can't be going out looking like this. Like, this is not acceptable. So today we're going to do a 1-hour transformation. Excuse me. I'm also going to be showing you guys my fall outfits. You guys seem to really love when I show you guys outfits in general, and I'm going to be wearing something very comfortable, very simple, very just like toned down, as well as my makeup is going to be extremely simple. Anybody who is anybody can create this look. So I just want to let you guys also know that I will be using pretty much all the products that I have in front of me are going to be high-end makeup that you can find at Sephora as well as at Ulta. I just feel like I always do drugstore videos, so I wanted to switch it up a bit and use a little bit of high-end. So I hope you guys don't mind that. With that said, grab your coffee, grab your wine, whatever it is, beer, we ain't judging over here, and let's get ready together. Okay guys, so I'm just going to take this little head wrap that I ordered from Amazon. These come in super handy if you're washing your face, if you like to take nice little like baths and you don't want to get your hair wet. These come in clutch because they just keep all your hair out of your face, and yeah, I really like them. I'm only going to be using one product, and that is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows in the shade Drop Top and Double Pump Latte. So first I'm going to take some of my little invisible tape and I'm just going to apply it right here. Now let's take the concealer. I am going to be using another Huda Beauty product. This is the Overachiever Concealer in the shade Cookie Dough. I recently picked this up when I made a little trip to Sephora because I have been dying to test out this product, and every time I went, they always had my shade sold out all the time. And I have tested out for a few weeks now, and I really like it. You just have to be super careful with it because it is full coverage. So we're just going to apply this down as a base. And I should have done this before the tape, but oh well. I'm going to take my favorite brush, the Morphe M514, which is this one, and we're going to go into our Huda Beauty thing, and I'm going to use the Double Pump Latte side, and I'm just going to throw that into the crease, just right here. I'm going to pick up a flat brush like this, and I'm going to take a vanilla shade, and I'm just going to set the brow bone. Just like that, and then I'm going to go back to my Huda Beauty thing and take the shade Drop Top. And I'm going to like wipe off the excess, that way the brush is a little bit flat as well. And I'm just going to almost like cut into the crease and then blend it in. Now that this side is dry, I am again taking a little bit of that matte side, And I'm actually going to go back with this brush and just blend it in right here. Boom, and then we're going to take the tape off. And boom, your eye look is done, sister. Just going to clean up a little bit. I'm going to apply my mascara. The one that I've been really liking right now is this one by Hank and Henry, the one that we just got in our October BoxyCharm. I just love the way it coats the lashes and the little brush on this side for the lower lashes. Oh my god. It is literally the best brush I've ever tried. If you guys know of any other mascara that is more accessible than this, like, I'm so lazy and I hate ordering things online unless I have to. But if you guys know of a wand that is this tiny, please let me know. Because even though I really do like this, like, I feel like once I finish it, I am going to need another mascara similar to this. Alright, you guys, so let's finally move on to the face. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter True Mattes primer. I just got a PR from Fenty. I was like, who is she getting PR from Fenty? Thank you guys so much for that. Like, you guys are the ones that make all this possible, by the way. But yeah, I was super excited to get a PR from Fenty, and I've never tried this primer. At least I don't think I have. So I'm really excited because you guys know Mama is oily the house, and I'm hoping this really keeps me matte all day. For my foundation today, I will be taking the Huda Beauty Macchiato Full Filter High Coverage Foundation. Now, this foundation can get a little bit thick, so what I did is I took a little bit of my Versali Rose Gold Elixir. I got these from Sephora because these are like a gift set. It came with with this one and a few other ones for 25 bucks. I was so disappointed. I knew they were going to be tiny, but these things are tiny. I was like, oh, hell no. But you know what? I bought it, so ni modo. I'm going to take my little beauty sponge and we're just going to push that foundation into the skin. I forget how full coverage this foundation is. Like, I haven't used it in a hot minute. I don't even know how long it's been. But this foundation is really good. You just kind of have to mix it with some sort of elixir or something because it can get a little bit thick on the skin. And I'm not a big fan of like thicker consistency foundations because I do have more like oily skin, large pores and texture. That foundations like that, they just don't do good on my skin type. I'm going to go back to my concealer if I can find it. Oh, it's right in front of me. I'm going to take again the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I am going to just apply a little bit because, again, this is a full coverage concealer. Like, she does not come to play when it comes to coverage. I haven't tried many things from her. I haven't tried her like baking powder, which I really want to. So again, in the comment section, please let me know if you guys have tried any Huda Beauty products. What is your favorite? I love her foundation. I love her lipsticks. These, they're so bomb. Her formula, and I'm really digging this concealer. But if there's anything else that I'm missing out on that you think I should try, leave it in the comments. Boom. Dark circles, who? Bye. Now for my setting powder, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. Now this powder, let me tell you guys, it's probably one of my favorites because I really like the way that it sets the skin. It just leaves your skin looking like soft and airbrushed. But if you are dry skin, and even if you're not dry skin, this stuff definitely dries out your under eyes, which is why you have to be like almost quick with this. Once you set it, you have to take it off. Just give it a second to like absorb the like concealer, the excess concealer, and then brush it off because yeah, this stuff is no joke. This is my absolute favorite brush for taking off powder, the Stilazzi Strobe L307. Oh my god, this stuff is amazing. Like, if I don't have it in my makeup kit, like, you know how there's some brushes that you can lose and you probably will never even notice that it's gone? This is one of those brushes that if it's gone, I'm like, where is it? I need it. And I know you guys have, or some of you have been asking me to do like an iced coffee tutorial. This coffee that I bought, though, is from Starbucks that I bought from Walmart. And it's okay, I'm just trying to finish it so I can try a different one. And then once I get the hang of it, I will definitely let you guys know how I make them and all that stuff. So for bronzer, I'm going to take this Cover FX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo. It's a matte and shimmer. This is in the shade Sun Kissed Bronze. And I'm going to use my Morphe E4. And I'm just going to bronze up the skin. I'm going to keep the skin fairly simple, and I'm not going to do any blush today. I don't know if I told you guys the lashes that I am using. I am wearing my lash collab with Lash Kitty. These are in the style Workflow. When I created this lash, or when I didn't create the lash itself, like he sent me the lashes and I kind of like got to choose and pick which ones I wanted. I really wanted to pick at least one pair of lash that was work appropriate, that was, you know, a go-to for many working people that work a 9 to 5, hence the name Workflow. And these lashes have been my absolute favorite. Besides Drama Queen, these are probably my absolute favorite. They're just so like fluffy, and they're still pretty flirty and cute, but they still have that like sassiness to them, you know. For my highlighter, I am going to take it way back, you guys. Who remembers this collab? The Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Oh my god. This palette was everything when it first came out. I'm going to take a little bit of Glow Getter and 143, and we're just going to apply that to the cheeks. I still, to this day, I watch Nicole Guerrero. I think she's one of the very few old school beauty bloggers that I religiously watch. I just relate to her so much. Like, I feel like she's like my spirit animal. She's such a homebody, like me. I think she's a Pisces. I think. I could be totally wrong, but I think she's a Pisces too. And I just love her. Like I said, I just relate so much to her, just the way she is. She's so like chill and like laid back, and I just love her. I that's all I can say is I love Nicole Guerrero. I'm gonna go back to the Huda Beauty. What are these called? I don't know. They're these dual things. I just keep wanting to call them something. And I'm gonna run the matte shade through my lower lash line and then just kind of like blend it out just so we can have an even look with the top. So just yesterday, my best friend Trisha, the one that I filmed the Backstreet Boys Get Ready With Me concert. By the way, I'm going to throw a nude eyeliner into the waterline. Again, it's one of those habit things. But she came over yesterday and we poured some wine. We were relaxing, having like a girl talk. Oh my god, why am I like this? And I started decluttering my makeup, you guys, because I have so much junk that I forget what I have. And I rediscovered so many palettes, old palettes I haven't touched in like, I'm not gonna lie, probably a few years. So I'm really excited to show you guys, or to make a tutorial on a palette that is old, and I'm definitely going to be posting that very soon. I'm first going to go in with this MAC NightMoth, not Midnight, NightMoth lip liner, and then I'm going to top it off with the Huda Beauty Masquerade lipstick. This is brand spanking new. Like, look at how gorgeous that is. That's like so satisfying. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, you guys, this fall super easy look is complete. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my outfit, and I'll see you guys in just 1 minute. Okay guys, so this is my outfit for today. I am wearing these booty. Sorry, it's like the lighting is kind of crap because it's later on, but I'm wearing just these like black boots that I bought from Rue 21. My jeans are from my sister's closet. My sweater, or this crew neck sweater, is from Walmart. If you guys haven't seen my Walmart haul, I will link it up here. And then this vest is also from Rue 21. I'm wearing these like little jewelry pieces that are also from Rue 21. This is where I get most of my jewelry because it's like cheap, and I know that I can just like get rid of it if I need to, and I don't have to worry about spending so much money. So this is my 1 hour transformation makeup and outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like these, including outfits, and I will definitely do them for you guys. Until next time,